We live in a world on the dawn of artificial intelligence. Information is power, and it is the job of a data scientist to make sense of this information. Anyone can slap the title of data scientist to their resume or LinkedIn profile. This is not enough to prove to the world you are a real data scientist. A real data scientist either creates AI models in the line of work or writes scientific papers about machine learning. A real data scientist may also be a Google certified machine learning engineer. Currently, there's a little under 2,000 individuals worldwide who are TensorFlow certified.
Hi, I'm Shandin and we am a Tensorflow Certified Machine Learning Engineer.
My name is Ammar. I am a PhD candidate in AI and I am TensorFlow certified.
Tensorflow has gained a lot of popularity in AI industry and it is being used by big techs. So this course will help you to get certified and be on the Tensorflow Certification Network.
TensorFlow is a leading platform for developing AI. At the Python Academy, we provide comprehensive and practical TensorFlow training. After this condensed 12-week training program, you will be TensorFlow certified. Having the TensorFlow certification is a great thing, but the greater is the amount of knowledge that you will collect during this training.
Act now. Visit the Python Academy today at www.thepythonacademy.com to get started getting TensorFlow certified.